Here's a simplified explanation of the top 5 programming languages in 2024. Python. Python continues to be one of the most popular and versatile programming languages in 2024. Known for its readability and simplicity, Python is widely used across various domains, including web development, data science, artificial intelligence, machine learning, automation, and more. Its syntax is easy to understand, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced developers alike. Python's extensive libraries and frameworks further enhance its capabilities, allowing developers to accomplish tasks efficiently and effectively. With its growing ecosystem and community support, Python remains a powerhouse in the world of programming, empowering developers to build innovative and impactful solutions. JavaScript. JavaScript maintains its position as a fundamental language for web development in 2024. As the language of the web, JavaScript enables developers to create dynamic and interactive experiences for users across browsers and devices. From adding interactivity to websites and web applications to building complex client-side functionalities, JavaScript plays a crucial role in shaping the modern web. With the advent of frameworks like React.js, Angular, and Vue.js, JavaScript has evolved to support the development of single-page applications, sparse, and progressive web apps, PWAs, further solidifying its importance in the digital landscape. Java. Java remains a prominent language in 2024, particularly in enterprise and Android development. Known for its platform independence, robustness, and scalability, Java powers a wide range of applications, from large-scale enterprise systems to mobile apps on the Android platform. With its strong emphasis on object-oriented programming principles, Java enables developers to build reliable and maintainable software solutions. Additionally, Java's extensive ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools, along with its community support, continues to make it a preferred choice for businesses seeking stability and long-term viability in their software projects. TypeScript. TypeScript has gained significant traction in 2024 as a superset of JavaScript, offering static typing and additional features for building large-scale web applications. By adding static types to JavaScript, TypeScript helps catch errors early in the development process, leading to more robust and maintainable codebases. With its compatibility with existing JavaScript codebases and popular frameworks like React.js and Angular, TypeScript provides developers with the flexibility to leverage modern language features while benefiting from the rich JavaScript ecosystem. As organizations increasingly adopt TypeScript for web development, its popularity continues to grow, making it a valuable skill for developers in 2024. C#. C# remains a powerhouse language in 2024, particularly in game development, enterprise software, and Windows application development. Developed by Microsoft, C# combines the power of C++ with the simplicity of Java, making it an ideal choice for building scalable and performant applications. With its strong support for object-oriented programming, asynchronous programming, and language-integrated query, C# enables developers to write elegant and efficient code across a wide range of domains. Additionally, with the popularity of the Unity game engine and the .NET ecosystem, C# continues to be a top choice for developers seeking to build immersive gaming experiences and robust business applications alike. These top 5 programming languages in 2024 represent a diverse set of tools and technologies that empower developers to create innovative and impactful solutions in an ever-evolving digital landscape. Whether you're building web applications, mobile apps, games, or enterprise software, mastering these languages can open up a world of opportunities in the field of computer science and IT.